Hello guys, if you wanna force a win, loss or even a tie for a game in Madden 27 franchise mode, you can do that pretty easily. But there is one important thing to know. This only works in an offline league or if you are the commissioner of an online league with your friends. First, go into your franchise and inside league, open the schedule section. From there, select team schedule. So you can look through the schedule for each team in the league. To change team, hold L2 on PlayStation or L2 on Xbox. Now find the game you wanna change and select it. You'll see a few different options here, including force home win, force away win, and force tie. For example, if the Eagles are playing at home and you want them to win the game, select force home win and you'll then see the result marked as forced home win, meaning the Eagles are set to win that matchup. Once you're done that, back out of the menu and advance the franchise to the next week. You can use force advance to move forward. After the week advances, you'll see that the game has been completed with the result you selected. So if you force the Eagles to win, their schedule will now show win for that game regardless of what would have happened normally. And that's all there is to it. You can use this option to force a home win, an away win or a tie as long as you are in an offline franchise or you are the commissioner of an online league. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.